You can't talk about Owerri without talking about the vibrant nightlife, the clubs, the bars, the hotels, and definitely you can't talk about Owerri without talking about the famous, mouth-watering and heavenly Ofe Owerri, one of the most popular Igbo soups and arguably one of the most expensive. Welcome to Owerri, the Eastern Heartland, the heartbeat of southeastern Nigeria. Owerri, the capital of Imo State, is more than just a city. It is a cultural symbol, an entertainment hub, and one of the fastest growing urban centers in Nigeria. Known fondly as the Eastern Heartland, Owerri holds a special place in the heart of the Igbo people and beyond for its warm hospitality, bustling lifestyle, and deep cultural roots. Owerri stands out for its blend of tradition and modernity. It is one of those cities where you can enjoy the serenity of three-line streets by the day and the electric buzz of nightlife by night. Unlike many Nigerian cities where the pace feels overwhelming, Owerri offers a more laid-back yet vibrant experience that makes visitors feel at home almost instantly. In the past few years, Owerri has witnessed tremendous development. Modern roads, upgraded infrastructures, new residential estates, and business complexes have transformed the city into a budding hub for investment. Hospitality and entertainment in particular have seen massive growth, with the city now home to some of the most lavish hotels, lounges, and resorts in Nigeria. Owerri's central location in the southeast makes it a strategic gateway for trade and commerce. As Nigeria continues to decentralize economic activities from megacities like Lagos and Abuja, Owerri's growth potential is undeniable, positioning it as a future powerhouse for business, tourism, and culture in the region. When the sun sets, Owerri comes alive. The city is famous for its vibrant nightlife, with a wide alley of clubs, lounge and bars that rivals anything you'll find in Lagos, Abuja or Enugu. From high-energy dance clubs that runs till dawn to cozy lounge where you can enjoy live music and cocktail, Owerri offers an experience for everyone. This lively nightlife has earned the city a reputation as the entertainment capital of Southeast Nigeria, attracting visitors from across Nigeria and even diaspora. For many, a trip to Owerri isn't complete without a taste of the buzzing night scene. Of course, you can't talk about Owerri without mentioning Ofe Owerri, the city's signature dish. Known as the king of soups among Ndi Owerri, Ofe Owerri is a rich, mouth-watering delicacy made from assorted meats, fish, snails and thickened with cocoyam, achi or ofo. Beyond its heavenly taste, it is a soup of prestige, a dish that symbolizes wealth, celebration and togetherness. For locals, Ofe Owerri is more than food. It is a culture served in boil, and for visitors, one spoonful is enough to understand why it is so believed and famously described as arguably the most expensive Igbo soup. Owerri is not just thriving today, it is a city with limitless potential. With its mix of culture, hospitality and growing economic importance, it is poised to attract even more investment, tourism and talent in the coming years. For those looking to experience Nigeria beyond its usual hotspots, Owerri is a city that offers everything: history, culture, entertainment, food, and a sense of belonging that keeps people coming back. Owerri isn't just a city, it is a feeling, a place where tradition meets modern life, where nights are unforgettable and where culture is proudly lived every day. Welcome to Owerri, the Eastern Heartland. This is our city. This is home. Have you been to Owerri before? If yes, what was your experience like? What are those things you find interesting about the city of Owerri? And if not, why not and what are you waiting for? Owerri is a place to be. Do well to visit Owerri.
This is a love song, despite what you think. No matter what happens tomorrow, I just wanted to tell you one thing. I'll never, ever give up. Never, ever, my love. I may fail a million times, but I'm stubborn as fuck, and I'll never, ever give up on you. Meet me in the garden where the wildflowers bloom. Forever, trust me, my darling, as I sing you this song. And I'll never, ever give up. Never, ever, my love. I may fail a million times, but I'm stubborn as fuck. And I'll never, ever give up on you, my love, on you, my love, on you, my love, on you, my love. Give up.